Holy crap. I hadn't made a video for a long time. So yeah. So what I wanted to say is I built my own YouTube play button, but that's not what we're focusing on for the small one. We're focusing on this one. Right here we got this YouTube play button for 7 subscribers. I think someone unsubscribed. But if no one did and I'm just going crazy, guess that has to do with it. So, yeah, it says, good morning, Aiden Jimenez. It says, from YouTube for Aiden, 7 subscribers, or 7, yeah. They just out of a pizza box. Small one, big one. Yeah, yeet. I spent a long time on doing this. You gotta see something that I made that's new. So I got some new paper, huh? And so when I got my paper, this is what I do. Boom. Boom. So yeah, a 3 sword. It's not my best, but if you want me to show you how to make this, it's not that easy. You gotta fill this up with paper to make it equal, because the first sword I have ever made was this one, and so I made a case for it. There's the sword. You get hit hard with this thing. So yeah. Put it back in the case. Oh shoot, I bent it. See, this one went into a lot of surgery. The giant one, I should have died. This right here is the gun that I made. This thing popped off, but this is blocking it. You gotta boom, boom. I'm gonna try and shoot something. I don't think it might work, but I'm gonna have to try. This little piece right here, I'm gonna try and, you know what? This is if the ammo gets stuck. I'm gonna go for a smaller piece like this. Put it in. Okay. Right here. 3, 2, 1. Well, shot backwards. I suck at this. Origami gun. Easiest one. Let me show you how to make this. Not so easy, but don't try to. For a gun that I really like is the Now pistol. It's a Boeing 67. I just like this. But I want to show you something that could shoot it. I wish one day I can make a paper or cardboard one of these that could actually shoot. I think my passion is on crafting stuff. I've got like thousands of paper down here. Wait. Under my bed. It's a mess under here. Wait. You can't see anything. See that paper? That's stacks. Stacks. And there's my messy floor, and I just cleaned up my whole entire room. It's like an organized thing. Bear's not there, just a lot of stuff. And swords. So yeah. All stuff. And so yeah. What I should actually... I gotta clean up this crap. lot. I tried to make a lot of guns, but it didn't really work because I don't have the thin paper. I got my gun right here. So. Boom! Oh, crap. Oh, well. See this right here. Oh. This right here is gonna go up on top of my head. And whoever watches my new video, just like, subscribe, and you will know how I get this. The ones who just did, but they'll never see my video until like in 1 year or 10, when I be starting to get famous. Because I'm not gonna end this channel, never, until I get famous. Famous, yo. So good crap right here, yo. Boom. Play button. This one actually sucks. This is for 8 subscribers because never known that one person just unsubscribed. Screw you! Oh crap. Oh gosh. Well, yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have to show you. I don't know. I wish I could have shown you more, but my glue stick freaking sucks and dried out. There's no more glue, so I gotta pick this up. And no, I cannot cut out anything because I'm using the YouTube recorder and not the app that I usually use. And so yeah. I got a sniper. Shing. Now this took a lot of time. Mostly this one took a lot of time because I made a small one and I couldn't fit the bottom one in, but this one, I love this one. I hate this one. We're going to try. This is one I'm proud of. This I am proud of. You could even see the style that I put into this. I put a tape on top of it. No plastic, no glass, just tape. Because I am not the crafty person you think I am. I try and use supplies that can't even be used as it. I try and do as much as I can. Like, if there is no plastic that I always need, I would rip off the plastic off here and tape it on there. I had to use tape because this thing ran out and there was no glass or plastic, so I had to use the tape. And it looks like glass. Look at it. It's safe. For 8. Good morning, Andrew. 7 subs right here. I would put 8 subs, but I am disappointed that someone unsubscribed on my YouTube channel. And that is the first time ever. I am not proud. But if, like, you know the YouTube, when you look at YouTube, like their home page, and you look at their YouTube account, and it's like 100,000 or 5 million, but it's actually 7 million or 9,000. Yeah, well, I checked, I looked at my video because that's how you should know that like all of the things. So I checked 7. Someone unsubscribed. Wow. Just wow. This. So this is a whole new, upgrade on my room and on this table. I'm going to try and add more things because I'm never going to open up this window right here. I need the perfect lighting. Perfecto. My table is a mess. And that's all you know. SeaWorld. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. This was the first creation of the simple origami gun. Not turn out as well as I thought. I'm going to try it. Put this back to its usual spot. You know what? I should show you it right now. No, next video. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to get it done. So yeah. After this video, I'm going to make another video, so it's kind of cool. I gotta clear out my table before I do this. Do you think I can make an origami table with just this, all this crap on here? Like, are you kidding me? Look at this! I gotta clean this up. This is my Nerf guns. I gotta put this away. Look at all this crap. What the crap is this on my head and this two pieces of crap messes? I'm disappointed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which is like in a couple seconds. Bye.